What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a knowledge base in the notebook LM. For that, the process is very simple, easy to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So let's dive right into the video without wasting any further time. So all you have to do is to click on create a new one. You will be asked to, you can change the emoji from here. Just click on the, create a new notebook, change the name, the emoji and all that stuff. I have already done so over here. So let me tell you one thing. Your knowledge base is as good as the data you provided. So make sure that in the setting you allow everything which comes with it, like using the web services over here, like web drive. Once you go to the source, you will be asked to have web services from the web, or your content from the Google Drive. Or you can go with the fast search or the deeper search. You can upload as many. For me, it's like 300 sources that I can upload using my Drive app or from the desktop that I'm using. All the resources are over here, and I can use it to visualize all the data like reports, tables, mind map, and all this stuff. And after that, I can ask the questions from the AI to figure out like what are the core services. For example, over here, like my project says it has core services. So say what are core services, and it will let me know that these are the specific core services that is in your sources, that the data you provided to me, all the information is this, that, and all the stuff which I provided to it. It will summarize it and let me know that these are something that you need to look into. So, this is a complete playbook that I shared with it, and it even asked me to, ask for the question: How does the review funnel handle negative feedback? Tell me more about three forces of local search. What is included in the white label mobile application? All this stuff. So it's in there. It's very easy to make it, but it's all almost as good as the data you provide to it. So make sure that the data you provide to it is super good. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.